Hmm. Complex numbers. Already I told you about the complex numbers. Once again, let us see here. Which type of the numbers are called complex numbers? Usually, square root of main thing is square root of -1 will be represented with I. I say represented. Square root of means negative numbers का square root नहीं होता है. So that's why a symbol was taken which is as an imaginary number. Usually, Z is represented to represent the complex number. Z is equals to x plus iy, where this x is called real part and y is called imaginary part. Okay, real part and imaginary part. And here complex numbers. This type of the number is called the complex numbers. A plus ib or x plus iy form, whatever the numbers are there, they are called the complex numbers. Usually they are denoted by the z. And complex numbers addition. Okay, algebra of the complex numbers, whenever you are taking into consider addition of the two complex numbers. Suppose z1 plus z2 is nothing but their corresponding real part should be added, corresponding imaginary part should be added. Z1 if it is equals to x1 plus iy1, z2 is equals to x2 plus iy. ये रियल पार्ट को ऐड करना है x1 plus x2 प्लस i इंटू y1 प्लस y2. इवन प्लस हो गया माइनस हो गया तो भी सेम है, इधर माइनस आया, माइनस हो गया तो इधर माइनस, दिस वन माइनस दिस वन, तो इधर माइनस आएगा, इधर माइनस, if you are having a minus. The difference of the two complex numbers. Product of the two complex numbers means, suppose if you are taking the z1 into z2, z1 into z2. So two complex numbers product whenever you are taking it to consider. So x1 plus iy1 into x2 plus iy. So x1 and x2 should be multiplied. x1 x2 आ जाएगा plus I into x1 by 2 plus I into x2 by 1 plus I square into इधर I into I square हो जाएगा, I square into y1 by 2. I square value what? -1. I from this you can say that I square value is -1. Okay, so from this you are going to get x1 x2, ये -1 होगा, minus y1 by 2 plus I into x1 by 2 plus x2 by 1. Just this is the way to multiply the two complex numbers. Whenever if you are taking the complex numbers will be given to you like this. Okay, and the main thing is that you need to remember the square root of a negative number, square root of the negative real number whenever it is given to you. I we are going to I represent it by the I से हम लोग represent करते हैं. So that is a point you need to remember here. And this is the different types of the algebra of the means product. Division करना है तो division of the two complex means you need to take the reciprocal of the complex. So division is nothing but reciprocal. Suppose if you want to divide, first thing you need to know the multiplicative inverse, or we can call it as a reciprocal. So suppose if you are taking reciprocal or multiplication of z, if I am saying, is represented by 1 by 0. So 1 by x plus iy. But denominator में x and I should not be there. So what to write here? You have to write multiply here x minus iy in the numerator and the denominator. In the numerator में x minus iy आ जाएगा, in the denominator x square plus y square आ जाएगा. Now which is equals to x by x square plus y square minus I into y by x square. This is inverse multiplication. Sir, why this one? You need to say the division. Suppose if you want to divide the two complex numbers. If you want to divide the two complex numbers, let us consider Z1 and Z2 are the two complex numbers. We are dividing these two complex numbers. That is nothing but here, this is division of the complex numbers. This is nothing but multiplying with its. So ये क्या है? X plus x1 plus iy1, x1 plus iy1. ये 1 by z2 क्या आएगा? x2 by x square, x2 square plus y2 square. One example you can take and you can consider it. So this is a real part. This is the imaginary part. And if you are taking imaginary part also, either better you take the minus y. Huh? Here. Huh. I किधर गया? ये क्या है? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus iy whole square. Okay. X square minus I square into y square. I square value? Minus 1 into y square. It becomes x square plus x. That we have discussed yesterday. Okay. I already told my yesterday. So now here Z1 means this also we have taken one example and we have did it. So if you want one example, we will take once again, because division of the two complex numbers is also very important here thing you need to remember. Division of the two complex numbers is very important. Watch. So let us take the one example. Suppose Z is Z. I have given to you the 2 plus 3i divided by 4 plus 5i. ऐसे divide करने के लिए we have to express this in the form of the general form of the complex number. What is the general form of the complex number? A plus ib form में लिखना. So for that what you have to write here? 2 plus 3i into 1 by 4 plus 5i. ये 1 by 4 plus 5i को जनरल फॉर्म में लेके आया फर्स्ट, डिनोमिनेटर में है ना. सो व्हाट टू डू हियर? ओनली टू दिस आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 4 minus 5i, 4 minus 5i in the numerator denominator. So we are going to get 2 plus 3i, 4 minus 5i by इधर क्या आएगा? 4 square plus 5 square, isn't it? So 4 square plus 5 square, so 16 plus 25 आएगा वो. Now here you can directly ये whatever the product है ना ये, now it became division became as a product. Normally division is nothing but product only, but product with its multiplicative inverse. Product with its multiplicative inverse. So these things you have to. So now what you will get here? 1 by 16 plus 25 into ये multiply करो. 2 4 is 8 minus 10i plus 12i. ये दोनों multiply minus 15 I square. This become plus 15. Plus 50. So which is equal 1 by 41. This is 1 by 41 more. 8 and 15 add कर 23 add. ये दोनों को simplify कर plus 2 आया. So that is nothing but 23 by 41 plus 2 by 41 I. This is the final answer. The division of these two complex numbers. This is a way to divide the two complex numbers. And powers of I. I का powers के बारे में. What are the different powers of I is there? That let us see here. So here, so I square, you know that it is equals to minus 1. I cube is nothing but I square into I. I square into I. So that is nothing but minus 1 into I, which is equals to minus I. I power 4 if you are taking. Because I square whole square. I square is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, which is equals to plus 1. Actually, I power 1 is equals to I आएगा. So in the same way, I power 5 if you are taking, I power 4 into I. I power 4 value क्या है 1. So this is I आएगा. दोबारा same आ जाएगा. I power 1, I power 5. So that is nothing but you can say that I power 4k multiple of 4 if you are having, that is equals to 1. Any number I ka power if you are having multiple of 4, I power 4k plus 1, like this here 5, next here 9, like that it continues. So which is equals to, you are going to get I power 4k plus 2, I power 4k plus 2. We are going, sorry, minus 1, 6, इधर 2, इधर 6, k का प्लेस में 0 ले लो 2 आएगा, k का प्लेस में 1 ले लो 6 आएगा, I पावर 6 क्या आएगा, which is equals to minus 1 यार. And it continues like that. So general form, I power 4k plus 3, if it is given, I power 4k plus 3. So it is in this form, minus I. So these 4 things you have to remember for the powers of I. Okay, is it clear to you? Next, square root of the any real number. Okay, these things you have to remember here so that we can complete the exercise 5.1. Square root of any real number, negative real number. So suppose if you are taking the any square root of minus 3, if it is there, this will be written as square root of 3 into square root of minus 1. Square root of 3 minus 1 by I. That's this is root. So do remember that square root of minus 3 symbol form में ले लिया तो only plus 3 I आएगा. If it is written to you square root of minus 3 in the sentence, if it is written to you square root of minus 3, if it is given to you, this square root of minus 3 or plus root 3 I हो सकता है और minus root 3 I हो सकता है. But is equals to only plus root 3 I है. ये कैसे है, दोनों का सेम, ये सिंबल है ना, दिस सिंबल रिप्रेजेंट्स पॉजिटिव स्क्वायर रूट. ये सेंटेंस फॉर्म में है, इसका स्क्वायर करो यही आ जाएगा, इसका स्क्वायर करो यही आ जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी से दैट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस वन आर these two. So this is a one thing you have to remember. The next concept is modulus and conjugate of the complex number. Next concept is modulus and conjugate of complex numbers. So let us consider what is meant by a modulus. First, z, let us take it as a one general form x plus iy considered. So modulus of z will be written as, which is equals to x square plus y square. So it is definition of the modulus. Modulus of a complex number, isn't it? Yeah. Root square root over x square plus, this is the definition of the complex number. Definition of the, sorry, modulus of complex number. Modulus is denoted by the in between the two numbers, between the two lines. And conjugate of z is denoted by, okay, conjugate of z is equals to this bar over z bar. So which is equals to x minus iy. X minus I. And if you are taking here, normally, whenever you take, if you multiply the z and its conjugate, what do we get? Product of a complex number with its conjugate. Complex number is what here? X plus iy. Its conjugate is what? X minus iy. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा? X square plus y square आएगा. What is this x square plus y square? Modulus का square. So this is about the simple modulus and conjugate of a complex number. So modulus and conjugate of a complex numbers depending upon the given rule. So what are the main things you have to remember here? If you are taking the some main properties complex numbers whenever you are taking product of the two numbers. So modulus of z1 z2 is equals to mod z1 mod z. Okay. Division whenever you are taking modulus of z1 by z2 is equals to mod z1 by mod z2 if modulus of z2 is not equals to 0. Okay. Next, third one. Whenever you are taking the conjugate of the product of the two complex numbers, conjugate of the product of the two complex numbers, z1 z2 bar is equals to individually should be taken into consideration. Z1 bar z2 individual. Even some are difference of the two conjugate means conjugate of the complex numbers. Z1 plus or minus Z2 conjugate is equals to Z1 bar plus or minus Z2. Conjugate of the division of the two complex numbers. ये तो simple है. These are all the things are this is equals to Z1 by Z2 if Z2 is not equals to, whenever division is there, denominator should not be equals to 0. This point you have to keep in mind. This is about the complex numbers and some results based on the complex numbers. Complex numbers, modulus, and so now let us go for the exercise 5.1. 5.1, let us see here. So first question is given to you 5i into minus 3 by 5i. So very simple questions are all these. What to do here? This 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Minus 3 I square I. Minus 3 into I square value minus 1, which is equals to plus. Okay. Second question is given I power 9 plus I power 19. So second question is I power 9 plus I power 19. So both you have to write in the form of the I power 4k plus something. If you write I power 4k plus something, you need I power 2 into 4 plus 1. Otherwise, if you get confused, you can write like this. I square whole power 8. हाँ I square भी लिख सकते हैं, even I भी लिख सकते हैं. I square value क्या है? -1. I square value -1. You can write in any way. I square -1 to the power of 8 is +1. Okay. If you want to write power 4, ना power 4 whole square. और 8 हो गया ये I. ये वैल्यू पूरा 1 हो गया. प्लस इधर भी इन द सेम वे I power 4 whole power 4 16 हो गया I cube. So which is equals to here this is 1 into I, this is 1 into I cube. So what do you get here? I cube value क्या है? -1. This is equals to 0. Next I power -39. Third question is given to you I power -39. So how do you solve it? I power -39. 1 by I power 39. 1 by I power 30. So I power 39 value you can take. So denominator में है. So what to write here? To make it very easy, numerator में I multiply करो, denominator में भी I multiply. Can I multiply like this? Huh? So what do you get here? I by I power 40 हो जाएगा. I power 40 को I power 4 whole power 10 लिख सकते हैं. I by I power 4 whole power 10. I power 4 value 1. So which is equals to I. This is a way to simple it is, little bit simplest way. Otherwise denominator में दोबारा I cube आ जाएगा. I power 4 whole power 9 if you are taking. And it becomes a little bit late. Okay. So next, fourth question, see here. Fourth one is 3 into 7 plus I7. 7 plus I7 only, na? Plus I into 7 plus दोनों same. Individually you can multiply or 7 plus I7 you can take the common. Common लेने के बाद दोबारा वही product of the two complex numbers हो जाएगा. और वैसे दोनों को सेम करना है. ये 21 है, 21I है, plus 7I है, plus 7I square है. Directly multiply करना. Just like algebra. So which is equals to 21 plus I into 28 minus 7. 21 से 7 subtract करो. So 14 plus 28I. If you want, you can take the 14 common also. What do you get here? 1 plus 2I. Like this also. It's not wrong if you write like that. Okay. Next, in the same way, fifth question, 1 minus I minus of minus 1 plus I6. I6 है ना? हाँ? So 1 minus I minus minus 1 plus I6. Here difference है. Two complex numbers difference is given. So what to write here in this situation? 1 minus I plus 1 minus I6. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Minus I minus I6 minus 7. Sixth question is given to you in the same way, but fractions में दे दिया. Can you solve it? It's not a difficult to you. 7th दिखने में थोड़ा सा length दिख रहा है आपको. 7th problem also. Addition and subtraction is given to you. That's all, nothing else. Okay. 8th problem is given to you. 1 minus I whole to the power of 4. 1 minus I whole to the power of 4. How do you solve it? One minus I whole to the power of 4. Power 4 value पता है? If not, if you don't know, 1 minus I whole square करो. A minus B whole square, you know that. So what do you get here? 1 square plus I square plus B square minus 2I whole square. 1 minus 1, I square value minus 1, minus 2I whole square. 1 minus 1 0 होगा. Minus 2I whole square. 4I square. 4 into minus 1, which is equals to minus 1. Okay. In the same way, ninth question is given to you 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. Ninth question is given to you 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. Cube. A plus B whole cube formula क्या है? A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. वही यूज करना है. There is no other way to do it. So A plus B whole cube is equals to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. So what do you write here? 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube is equals to 1 by 3 cube plus 3 into 1 by 3 whole square into 3I plus 3 into 1 by 3 into 3i whole square plus 3i whole. At last, final simplification में complex number ही आ जाए. Final simplification, you are going to get a complex number. Final simplification. So we are going to get it as 1 by 27. What do you get here? Is ये 339 होगा, ये plus I ही बचाएगा. Only I will be left. Now here these 3 and 3 will get cancelled. We are going to get it plus 9i square plus 27i cube. Now here 1 by 27 plus I plus 9 into minus 1 minus 27i. Why minus 27? I cube can be written as I square into I. I square value minus 1. Simple problems, these are all. Not at all a complication. Now here 1 by 27 plus I minus 9 minus 27i. I values together, right? And these two values together. 1 by 27 minus 9 is the real part. Minus 26i is the complex. Means imaginary part. 26 is the minus 26 is the imaginary part. What is the imaginary part in this means minus 20. What is the real part means? इसको simplify करना. 1 minus 1 by 27 minus 9. That is real part. In the same way, 10th question also you can do. Okay. Next, find the multiplicative inverse of the each component. 11 to 13. 11 to 13 mein, whatever the questions are given for that questions, multiplicative inverse. How do we find out the multiplicative inverse? Already I told you. 10th problem कर सकते हैं ना? 10th तो same way. Minus is there. Minus 2 minus 1 by 3 whole. Minus is there, so be careful while solving that. Now 11th question is multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i. Question is find 4 minus 3i, and here some of the students will write is equals to 1 by 4 minus 3i लिखता है. ये is equal to इसको कैसे होता है? ये this is the wrong way of writing. You have to write here multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i is equals to 1 by 4 minus 3i. Multiplication. What to do here? Adding 4 plus 3i in the numerator and the denominator. We are going to get 4 plus 3i by 4 square plus 3 square, which is equals to 4 plus 3i by 16 plus 9, 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25 i. Next, 12th question is given to you. I think you can do it. It's not more difficult. 12th में क्या दे दिया है? Multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i is equals to 1 by root 5 plus 3i. What to do? Root 5 minus 3i should be multiplied in the numerator and denominator. So we are going to get root 5 minus 3i by 5 plus 3 आएगा 9 आएगा, not 3. Root 5 whole square is 5 and 3 square value is 9. So which is equals to root 5 by 14 minus 3 by 14 I. Either plus लिखते इधर minus लिखना सही. Whenever you are having the minus, because complex number generally should be expressed in the form of x plus iy. Y may be negative, but plus होना सही. Because what is the real part means x. What is the imaginary part means y. If you write here directly minus here, you will say the imaginary part in a confusion 3 by 14. Imaginary part is not 3 by 14. Imaginary part is minus 3 by 14. Easy है? Is it okay? Huh? 13th question see. Huh? Huh? What LCM? आंसर तो सर 4/7 plus 3/7 4/7. So here multiplicative inverse of minus I. Multiplicative inverse of minus I is equals to 1 by minus I. Confused mat ho ja. Multiplicative inverse of minus I is 1 by minus I. Whatever it is given, 1 by that number. Now here we multiply the minus plus I here and I. What do you get here? I by minus I square आएगा. Minus I square value plus 1 हो जाएगा. Minus, see here, don't get confused here. Minus I whole square value क्या है? Plus 1 आएगा. Minus I whole square. है ना? Minus I whole square value क्या है? I square. Isn't it? Because what is mean by this one? Minus I whole square is nothing but minus 1 square I square. Isn't it? Minus 1 square क्या है? Plus 1. I square क्या है? Minus 1. So minus I whole square is minus 1. यही सिंपल थिंग है. और माइनस आई स्क्वायर इस प्लस 1 आ जाएगा. Square is here only for I, not for the minus. Here square is there for the minus and as well as I. So here minus I square is there. So we are going to get that minus I square value as a 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 है. I square value is minus 1. Either minus 1 is there. So it becomes a plus 1. So I by 1 is equals to I. Multiplicative inverse of minus I is plus I. If you multiply the multiplicative inverse of any number with its number, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. तो अभी इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या है? ये आया. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया तो व्हाट यू गेट? What is the multiplicative inverse of minus I? Plus I आया. If you multiply minus I and plus I, what do you get? Plus 1 आया. Plus 1 आया. In the same way, multiplicative inverse. When do we say multiplicative inverse? Z का multiplicative inverse क्या है? 1 by Z. 1 by Z only na, normally. Okay. You see here, its multiplicative inverse is 1 by Z. If you multiply these two, what is it? वन आएगा. कैसे आएगा? प्रूव कर सकते. See here, Z 1 by Z. Suppose Z is equals to क्या है? X plus IY. 1 by Z क्या होगा? Minus IY by X square plus Y square होगा. Isn't it? 1 by Z वही आएगा ना. और if you multiply these two, what do you get? X square plus Y square by X square plus Y square. Product of a number, a complex number with its multiplicative inverse is equals to 1. So 1 is called multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity of a complex number. Complex numbers में, in the complex numbers, that's why I didn't told you what is multiplicative identity in a complex numbers. Complex numbers में multiplicative identity किसको बोलते हैं? Numbers में multiplicative identity is 1. Complex numbers में भी multiplicative identity is 1 only. But we can write it as a 1 plus 0i. 0 is the imaginary part. 1 बोले तो simply 1 नहीं है. 1 plus 0. Okay. Now let us move to the 14th question. Last time. So the question is given to you. Problem is lengthy है. 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 minus I root 2. Isn't it? So numerator, what do you get here? A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square by I. ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन नहीं है, सिंप्लीफिकेशन. रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2I माइनस रूट 3 प्लस I रूट 2. ये दोनों कैंसिल. In the numerator, we are going to get 3 square value is 9 plus 5 divided by 2 root 2I. What do you get here? 14 by 2 root 2I. 2 ones are 2 1. And I multiply in the numerator and denominator. Why? Because denominator में I नहीं होना. So what do you get here? 7I root 2 into I square. So finally, what do you get here? This is equals to 7I by root 2 into minus 1. तो वो माइनस ऊपर लिखना, माइनस 1 आएगा. सो माइनस 7I बाई रूट, माइनस 7I बाई रूट. समझ में आया? सही है. One more thing you can remember here, that denominator irrational number is there. Rationalizing the denominator concept also you are having. So that root 2 also you have to eliminate. If you are leaving this one, okay. Here root 2 multiply. So instead of that, here instead of multiplying I, here itself root 2 I multiply कर लिया तो वो rational number हो जाएगा. Sorry, irrational number rational number हो जाएगा. Imaginary number real number में convert. और लास्ट में भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. रूट 2 बाई रूट 2. व्हाट डू यू कैन हियर? माइनस 7 रूट 2 I बाई 2. ओके.